What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people, we have Shibada talk about the situation with Frost and Jabas. You know what I mean? As I already know, if you watch the previous video, Jabas give Frost one fridge and some other furniture. Seeing and Frost come show it. And the people must say, no man, Jabas a wickedness that you shouldn't give Frost them something. Yeah. But our man having give, you know what I mean? And he never force it upon Frost, him just a try to help out a situation. And the stuff them when give, him come and explain, say, you know what I mean? The refrigerator is like, it do come off, but it must be working same way and it can screw on back a simple thing. You understand what I say? So, me want to tell me what you think in the comment section with people. And I think she want to address something else. Me don't remember what is the something else where him talk about. Me don't remember. Right? Also have other things to share with people. You know what I mean? So I don't know how I stay when it comes to remembering what me have to share. Sometimes, you know what I mean, I prep myself before me jump in at the intro or start the recording, but this time I never did look, so I just jump and start it. So we are gonna just kick it off, you know what I mean, and just get in or whatever there is to get in more people. So yeah, we could jump in it right now.
Wow. Didi, thank you. Desiree, thank you. Wow. Hold on a gift team, hold on a gift team. Wait, left it for last game, my chat. Hold on a gift team. Hey, can pick up yourself, you know? Chat. Crazy for the last game. Chat crazy for the last game, my team. Jesus Christ, man, my life, I play my music and light up my spliff.
Alójate por menos con precios de
crazy, you know.
gratuita de booking.com hoy.
Holiday money crazy, you know. Frost. 5-1 that team. That is it.
Chat first gift times 3. Let me kiss and take a lick. First gift times 3, chat. Laverne, thank you. First gift times 3. First gift times 3, chat. First gift times 3. First gift times 3. First gift times 3. First gift times 3. Come on my side. First gift times 3. Alright, chatting and look good our portfolio up. Make a 3,000 enemies down pan. Out of the race, right, about 10, 20 people that participate, and the rest of them are pure lookings. No, for true, and out of the rest of them are pure lookings. I must say about 20 people that participate. Out of them are pure eye. I watch me downfall. Pure lookings. We also look so. Would even try with $10. You know, so we get 30 people and money gonna fire that to reach. No, sir. Everybody just left me in a cold of a suffer with sore foot and big hole. On the wicked, sir. And wicked bad, you know? No, sir. Me said, don't see what, hey, chat on the wicked to me, you know? Triple chat. Chat, make we use the times 3. Come team, make we tap, make we try. Chat, make we try, chat. Team, I could try, team. We not have a big snipe. We not have one look post. Me could try, chat. We not have nothing at all. Blood clot. No, sir. Let's score. Quiz up. It's not look good. You say when storm came. You say put on the wall. In the way. Promise things will be okay. In a freezing cold, and I waited for you, but you never show up. Where you are, ooh. Boy, you say you were just me. I'm standing from the real, go to work. And I stood there. In a freezing cold. And I waited for you. But you never show. Look, it's never got the two universe we may not safe. So,
any man will wipe floor up. Me glad me no man, so me can keep wiping. Thank you, Lord. Yeah. Me like the little trend the way I go around. Shay, you know, do it. Any girl with it on my live, when name Shay, I did best man at Jayden wedding. Me like the little trend them. The little trend there get me. It get me. I don't want to say, if you wanna break me, that's something like that.
Alright, the people, so we're going to hear what Shibata have to say. Is it pertaining to the whole situation with Jabas and Frost? Because I'm telling people, I have to laugh out the situation. Sometimes you can take some serious things, make jokes still, you know. And with rosealee, you know, more people, they must say rosealee, like Akima get the hype and have the most, like him a take over for rosealee, him a take rosealee position then, if you want to say it. But me don't feel say that still. I feel like say him just have some fans, you know what I mean, where rate him and them a show them support. Rosealee have fear people them, but over the years fear support, she been getting support, so she not gonna get it like how him a get it cause him fresh. You see it? But we don't want to think. I make her watch some more.
And then dressing the day, yeah, clothes, them the old clothes. The little trend, I like it. You all clothes fit me. I like the little trend. So Shay, goodie, come here. May I get the work over with? Who from morning, me I grind, me know the people them come from work. And since them place not clean. Cause from morning, me I think, you know. Shay, come here. Where's Shay, she gone? Again, I can't room, miss me. A Wi-Fi. She just a room so like her internet. Where the girl is? Shay, you there? Put up your hand. Put up your hand there. Shay, what our kidneys they want to bring them past Sky Diamond and cheesy blinga. Me say, last night when I hear the argument very early, you know, why Sky Diamond Empire, I may know say I can't catch you. Me and you know that. I'm wicked. I wonder if a destiny set it up. I feel say destiny set it up. Then what a weird cheese favor her age now. Then cheese in the better course. Cheese your bias no match your looks, my baby. You go up in an age and a foreign you there. You do body and now the bird paper. I like cheese sometimes, you know. Sometimes cheese the blast they get to me. I say cheese I do body and now the bird paper. I say cheese little in the bed underneath the coal. And cheese favor 227 now the golden girls. Me not in a lie. Cheese your age a show. Your age a show my baby. I don't like it. And your age are your sin. Is that karma? Or is that your bird paper? Cause she's been not in a lie now. You look on the app and a beat knock off. Be careful. Jabba supposed to say they are a spirit in a bag. Me not ask you. Jabba say they are a spirit in a bag. Me not ask you. Because you see, you know, when you buy the knock off, knock out and coma things, when you come and you go like when you have big dog. Anything you get, you take, sir. So you never have no money for what go in a store. So your community have no furniture, man. We stitch up things here $2,000. Eh? Me not understand. Then me could have really see Jabba's about in bed and buy it. The amount of cocky, the amount of time Jabba's could get soaked on the bed there. The amount of time Jabba can use them tongue and lick out Jabba's arm. Eh? And you go take her on the bed. You're too nasty too. Jabba's don't give back $1. I am with you. Me know them are gonna say. I am with you, Jabba's. Can't wait for you mess up though. Then in the ear say, Jabba sell Annie, one car when a real. Him never hear that. In all of my life, him never hear say Jabba sell Annie, one car when a real. Eh? Me not understand this. Taya, God bless, tell me the truth. Eh? Content to happen. Say Jabba sell Annie, one AI. Jabba is not a scammer. Jabba is not a scammer. I kid you not. Jabba is not a scammer. Jabba just walk and identify idiot. Oh, I can't blame him, man. God no. I can't blame Jabba in the people. No, man. From Jabba still I need the car and she catch her eye. I can't. Jabba is an igla. I want to put Jabba in my play arcade, but I don't want him sell the production. And that me no want, you know. Me no want to be on stage and perform. Me hear the promoter them ask Jabba. When I me really imply him. Can I have a way enough to take all things for himself, you know. I don't like it, man. Me don't like them something for true, man. I want to put Jabba in a play, but God know me nervous. I'm gonna sell the production and the actors. I'm gonna see me done to the play in a palace Singapore. When me go to Singapore, eh? Me is a Jabba sell. I want the mama blood fingers. I want the boy that from class. Jabba, you know, me can put a step into this early, you know. Oh, me can put a step into this very early. Yeah. I want the boy, they be on the boy side, right? And I'm just a click. Oh man. Then if you have anything in your house we can't sell, you don't need to Jabba's. Jabba's is a pawn shop. Jabba's Jabas is a pan store. I will piss up. I will piss up, you know. I will them Jabas can't sell shea slippers to me. I don't want Shay go back where him know she come from with her slippers. The fear is fear. She will that shit out here. Will it or wheel it? Do something to it. No. No, for sure. Jabas for the antique, for sure. Me say Jabas are one of the smartest youth on the app. I kid you not. Me not in a lie. Me can't cuss him. Julie Mango what? Me can't cuss Jabas. God no. People it sound wrong and it sound unfair and the youth are venting and they realize they are going to lay down with people. You know, realize they are going to lay down with people and they are venting. And when if him flick the mattress and son it, and my own more sell him, when he done see piss mark, him start dream chink. Oh, more sell him my bed, when him done see piss mark. You think a joke? When him done see piss mark, him dream them, I just chink line them, chink. I don't understand him can't even wash the shoes them too. Cause I'm afraid water get where. Cause you know water and thread not too green. Yeah. So I think of that, you know, because when Martin send me the things then, me I say, Martin, I'm going Jabas to Jayden. You know, because to the youth not so good looking. I think of Jayden back in the days I was a kid, but not anymore. Yeah. I think of him. And it's like, you know, I can't identify Jayden sometimes. Jayden look like many, out of many one people. It's a Jamaican motto. Yeah. So when I say Jabas and Jayden kick off, but you know, say Jayden said, I'm ready for go on, you know. And Martin said, no, watch the video properly. And then me I look on you, but I still I say Jayden. So me I say, Martin, what is this? He said that you tell me, say, who Jayden? He said, no, it's not Jayden. So I had to look really good. Because, you know, Jayden moved from dark to light to lighter to lighterest. You know, I don't know Jayden no move so. But anyways, Jayden no malfunction. We can't do anything. You understand me? That is a dirty drawing for. I forgot to say me and him the day again. Jayden come have me and work advertise them out on the internet like nobody want your saliva underneath them nasty Jayden. So she come from Belgium and use your toothbrush. Your mouth little bit uncommon. Me eat all your teeth, not to mention your tongue. Nasty. Jayden me eat you know. No me eat it for sure. Nobody see me a crash out on the app. I just don't want nobody says so. Yeah. Just know. Boy, Jabas, me tired of you. Jabas are tired of you. Jabas, every month is a different case. Jabas, stop the selling. Stop the selling. Jesus, Jabas, make me tired. Jabas, make me tired. No, man, every month is a different case. Every month. No, God, no. Me give up. Me give up. Me not like Jabas don't realize you're big. You're big now, you know? You're big. Every month you throw on a station with Jabas. Jabas want to you. Anybody see him out there in the world, tell him say, I am.
My people, leave your comments in the comment section because Jaja, yo, Jabas is something else, you know, people. I not lie, I love to see him and the Lion Man link up, peer problem. And I love to see them with TJ also. But I don't know Jabas and TJ not really planned go align right now. You see me? So, I can watch some more here, what Shibada say.
I'm very disgruntled. Tired of him, man. Tired of him. Tired of him. Me I send him back to him, mama, you know. I can't deal with this no more. Ice cream, man. You know some sugar about ice cream? Come on, ice cream, you know. Show me the ice cream sugar pass me. More ice cream, you know. Temptation I still. More ice cream. More ice cream, you know. Yeah, right now move the man. You see we're talking important stuffs. Should I buy ice cream, man? Should I buy 1 quart? Should I buy 1 quart, you know? You know, huh? Sometimes that's how it go. People me can't deal with this no more. Wanna give one different topic because me gonna slap up Jabba's wicked. More piece of electric card. More piece of electric card. Anybody out there can plot piece of electric card, give me please. And write Jabba's name on it. Me gonna slap him up, man. Me gonna slap him up. Oh. Me feel say it's Annie bring forth Jabba's. God no me feel say it's Annie. Me feel say Annie is Jabba's mother. Because you know sometimes you have that sneaky feeling that you don't know about the bird paper, you know, but you can make up your own thing. Me feel says Annie. In out of order, yes, Jabba's not out of order. Jabba's do out of order. Who sent me that ring around something here? Thank you now, who sent me this? Yeah? Use the map. Jabba's do out of order. Let me tell you something. You're a big boy. You have sense. You understand me? Sea Breeze, thank you. You see, you're a big boy. You have sense. Go save your money. Buy something authentic so you can really say to yourself, say, yes, I've earned this. I work for this. Whether you rob, kill, or steal, you deserve this. You understand me? When you take up your something you want to buy from a man who want to sell you anything, let him sell you anything and you gladly appreciate it. No, whether you get it, borrow it, steal it, or beg it, you got something from the man. You understand me? So why complaining now? You know, some other thing is this. Someone who walk and beg the people and the things them are foreign and when them stand into the closet. Some of them enough for them, I see them several times. Who beg the barrel them are rusty things. You understand? I want to feel what it feels like to get a barrel. So the people them got a church where they might do homeless, the things them and stop barrel go now. And don't complain, don't complain. The funny part about life is when you pray, be specific. Some of us believe that God can read our, God always read our minds and I tell what we want. Sometimes you need to be specific. You have to be specific. You understand me? So everybody else say Annie they in need of a car and through the ladder about one hard design Annie buy it. Now can we blame Jabba's? Jabba's the people that come to him come buy him garage sale. You know sell them? Come on man. Sell them. Big boy like you, go buy one bed, go get a bed make then. Go grab a make bed. And they don't want to blame me, the eagle. Remember things me sell to you? Oh, Jabba's are sell the things them only be. You understand me? You know some people have them backyard and they want to clean it up and don't know if you throw the rubber. Sell out their garbage them. Oh, I could have never blame Jabba's. And one thing with me, if I go and store and buy something, me not think I should have carry back after the lace bus for me and the tongue drop out. After no warranty in the pan and me take up myself and go to the store and me take up myself and buy that shoes. If the people them want to change it for me, them change it because they know I'm open my big stinking mouth. But if they don't want to change it, I have to call it a loss. I have to call it a loss for sure. And me going to the store with my stinking self, go buy it. You understand me? So if I want to carry back and it don't come with no warranty. It don't come with none of that. But you see we Jamaicans, only when the thing does sit well we will complain, but we don't split justice. Jabba's wash up gun you so oh him for buy furniture. Eh? So the wash things them himself, I want you idiot. The wash things them Jabba's say, I want you know, the boys to the fridge now, no is a walk-in fridge. At least it's safe in the trouble enough for broke the handle. Yeah. So then come here now. Then this was to them something here. Row, you idiot. You just say an idiot, girl, row. Eh? No, the wash things them Jabba said, oh, what a nasty row. Chum. I'm gonna come back my black, you know. I can't remember the you know. Sometimes I like going up right for my program. When I make Ministry of Education, I call me at the time, you know. When I make Ministry of Education, I call me a daytime. Me say, Roro, where? More! Sure. Jabba a sell the wet things them for buying dry things. Leave him alone.
Alright, my people. So, here what really go on now, Zane? Because I don't know if she better get the full details of what go on. It's like Jabba's have the things them. And through his frost condition of him a live on situation, him decide say yo, him a go introduce him or make him know say yo, such and rare. Him never buy it, you know what I mean? And I sell him it. Is it him tell him say yo, you can get this in our house, yeah, so rare. And you know what I mean? You can take it and fix up whatever you want to fix up. And such. So him just give him a, where I say, an option. If him want them, he can come for them or whatever. You see me? So him never really sell him it. You see me? Just a clear that part there.
Leave him alone. Jabba sell the wet things them for buy dry things. It's a smart fridge. Very clever fridge. A very clever fridge. Oh, I go to Annie fridge, cause Annie says she make them teeth the fridge. So she set up Jabba's the teeth Annie fridge, so Jabba's come back and sell Annie the black boy the fridge. Yeah. Jabba's come sell Annie fridge to the black boy. Yeah. We don't care if him want to sell him again. Them a walk a hide Annie fridge. Annie, we find your fridge and them can't find lizard, we find your fridge. Come Annie. Yeah. It's a clever fridge. Me not ask no. So all him have to do, I walk in evening TV. Yeah. The door still separately. Alright then. Okay. Then the black boy complain. He have no education for the new frontier. He have no knowledge of the new frontier. Jabba say the good things to myself, man. Big up yourself, Jabba, anyway day in the world. Anyway. Oh. Anyway day in the world, Jabba, big up yourself. I pay a pre-release Jabba sell. Cat, you know, say me, you not agree. Is a man cat this? So like how is a man puss for your name body? You know, so they never teach you this in a school. What you call a man puss body and a female puss scratches. I don't know what you call me something. I'm glad I'm not studying animal. I don't know what. I forgot to ask Diamond. What you call man puss because she titled the animal them, you know. She titled the animal them, man. Sometimes I say I'm not bright. Sometimes I just say I'm not bright. I should have been bright in a man. Any woman did bright with I make money like Andrew Holness. Oh, I don't know what you call man puss, you know. Nasty shade there. You call man puss Bob? Bobcat? Me never hear that yet from a bank, I don't know no Bobcat. Me know Baba Bowcat. Yeah, me know Baba Bowcat, because one man in Franklin told the name Baba Nima Bowcat. Yeah. Me know Baba Bowcat. So me don't know no name so. Me don't know no Bowcat, no Bobcat. A Bob this, a Bob. Go on, man! Sure. And the man who used to play the book. I'm gonna wait me and watch 1/4 but we can't bother. Once a quarter cream, you know. Yeah. Latif full of water. And after zoo. Me don't know what you're talking about. Yeah. Once a quarter cream, but me really and truly can't bother. For true. Then Lati, look, from when you tell me say you have the NS to give me a drink it. Cause Lati, my birthday gone go over 2 months now, you know. And you tell me say you have a back like NS to give me. Look like you drink me 8 big chat, you say. You got a ton selector. Me 8 big chat. Then Lati come here now. Come here now, Lati. Come here, I have things to tell you. Then Annie no say I barely a show. And me I only know say all the Annie things them my eye waist cause she either big goat where she have. Then me I only know say Annie belly big from morning. Annie belly a show the navel now push. Me never say nothing so yet. Like Annie built in. You look like Annie built on the inside. Eh? Annie say I barely a show. Then Yankee say him and Annie left. Then Yankee really leave the rapping to come for robbing. No man. Then Anya teach Yankee the ropes. If we say Yankee no run. If Yankee run, who gonna feed him? Remember Annie use her ingredients and tell Yankee little esophagus not up. Then you gonna tell me the truth now. You know she say all of this Yankee for gonna make some money over this and she wanna make it over here. So you know she say Rosealee, Jakes and Akeem this. Go on, man, sometimes I don't like provocation, you know. Sometimes I don't like provocation. Creamy!
Dog, you see? Supreme must have us, brother. Supreme say you're not friend in a different place. Bro, it doesn't matter, dog. Supreme, you still want to focus, man? You shouldn't. Why?
No, man, oh God, man, TJ, man, oh God, man. No, man, TJ, not even dog, mother give that, man. That's it, man. No, man, you look bad, man, TJ.
Nah, that's why you're gonna stop run joke about it, Jayden. You look fuck up with you.
No, summer. Bro, when I look in our fridge, dog, la TV, shell part, no, did if you hold up my food in. My God, dog. Yo, TJ, you know, when I go in our fridge, dog, I see section in there, so dog, for hold up my food, them, dog.
Stop that.
Man, you want to laugh at my youth?
No, because you make it sound funny. Are you serious?
So, me, I do that, my youth. Oh, me, I do that.
Nah, you make it things sound funny, dog. And you're serious sitting there. You think you make it sound funny, dog.
Alright. You don't know you want me talking to TJ. When I look at the shelf part I fridge up there somewhere, you know see no shelf, dog, like it's like you man take them out, dog, you see it. My TJ look bad for you, man, dog. We have to go trump up some money and give dog something, bro. You see that bed, dog, or fridge or something, dog, you see. I see dog cook outside pan a coal pot.
Yeah, me just think some might be creative. Let me see, but me never
nah, man, the dog need a fridge. The dog need a whole. Dog need everything in our life, yeah, man. He man need one girl, he man need one fridge, he man need everything, TJ, me I tell you.
Start it, dog.
No, for real, man, no joke. TJ, no joke, bro, no joke. I read, man, it might sound like a joke, bro. Me don't know if I owe me talk, dog, you see it. But the dog need help too, bro. I know, say, we are talking about dog need help or whatever, my youth. You know, say, why I really need dog is a job. You ever think about that, TJ?
Well, you can go look at work case, but Jayden, come on, as a TikToker, if you want TikToker, you just want TikToker on it.
TJ, watch out, TJ, listen up. TikTok no works for everybody, dog.
But you never work for him one at a time.
Eh?
You never work for him one at a time.
But if it stop work for you, TJ, or whatever, all if it stop work for me, dog. I forgot to look at work, dog.
Jayden, just imagine you're gonna get a 95 right now.
No, me not see that. TJ, me not see that anytime.
King of TikTok, at least.
Alright, my people. So, you know what I mean, this is part of the discussion about, you know what I mean, Krash and the Jabba situation where TJ say he want to link up with the Lion Man and get Krash some real stuff. You see me? The last time TJ tried to help out somebody, alone disrespect, that person was Tavii. You see it? I'll know TJ I get disrespect over that situation there. You know what I mean? So we feel like say when it comes to certain things, TJ is a bad lucky fellow. But you know what I mean, still continue to do all the good way you can see him way. You understand me? If I do it genuine. Although let me know what you think, my people. Let's go watch some more.
Once more.
Nah, man, TJ, I'm not see that anytime soon. I'm not see that next week. Nah, man, TJ, things set in place with that dog, you see?
Oh, yeah, you set a foundation.
Nah, man, in fact, by myself, but TJ, things don't set in place with that dog.
Yeah, we love that. At least,
that's how I waste my time, dog, you see? But, you know, the situation right now, you don't need help, bro, you see? Real, bro. TJ, why me not buy bread and you buy fridge?
I don't have so much money, Jayden. I must say, I try to start up myself too.
Sir, TJ, sir. You know, say I have a bed in the next room.
Forgive him?
I don't know if you would have wanted, dog.
Nothing to the bed?
No, to the bed, bro. Watch out. Yeah, I can't do TJ. I can't take off a bread frame, dog. I can't take off a bread frame and buy one completely new mattress.
Well, if it's in a good condition, you can give him then if it's in a good condition. I say as long as it's in a good condition, nothing wrong if you give somebody something, you know. But if you don't want the deplorable condition, bro, it don't make no sense. Can you not really, the bed where you're talking in the second room, nobody not really stay there.
No, man, give me a new set after the thing. I don't know how them go to eat like that myself.
Jayden, I know how you stay, nah, dog. Jayden, a good while now, I know you. You're not going to do that. I know you're not going to do that.
Nah, man, TJ, that's the worst enemy that would do that too. Is it?
Yo, tell the dog for link me, I give him 50 ball for help me cut my bed. 50 grand, you see me?
But sure?
No, bro, I simple dirt that. It ain't me not run, me not cap.
Mookie, nobody with it.
You want to know Mookie? Send me money. Hold on there.
No, Mookie, no. Get your frost. Brother, get your frost and frost waste it and we bring it on a morning.
Tell the dog to link me, dog.
Alright, from Mika say serious.
Watch out. Alright. Mookie sound like a serious man, dog. You see? Mookie sound like a serious man, bro.
No,
you see?
bro, come on, man.
Yeah, man. Mookie sound like a...
Bro, come on, club.
So Mika say I'm serious. Say serious to true.
The Mookie I go 50. Alright, me I go 100 then.
Then that better. Go 100. Do it.
TJ, what's I go?
I still go 6 to my 25 when I have dog. Or I'm 20. Still when I have it Jayden.
Yeah, dog. That's good thing, bro. Tell him.
So if Mookie can put all of 50, bro, Mookie can probably buy the fridge for 50 and then we go half on the bed, Jayden, also?
TJ, hold on. TJ, you have PayPal, bro?
Me don't want nobody say me no, Jayden, me say me not run no money joke with nobody over here. Make them say me.
Yeah, come here. But so how me go help then? How me go help?
Send them back, you see that you buy the thing by itself, Jayden.
I'm not sending for us no money, brother. Me rather buy the thing then, bro.
They'll buy something another time.
You will not be money, Jayden?
Man, we never... Squat.
Me not like people say so.
I want to see first in a deer clothes and deer shoes tomorrow, man, and say my jack up on live.
Beg your pardon?
Yo, no matter, Jayden, no matter. Frosty don't really fuck up for that.
Oh, you can't. Watch out, I don't joke thing, dog. I serious something. Yo, you see me? How you do your right thing?
Yeah, man, how you do your right thing and stop joking the thing for you, man.
So you will buy the bed or the fridge for us. Okay. I don't want to give me cash.
A 50 me I do, me don't know where you want. Me don't know where you want do with the 50. A 50 me will give him. Me don't know thing for 200 just to that dog. Cause me know no can do it.
Yeah, man, TJ can't do it. TJ that go and go to the ranking last week. I can't do it, TJ.
Brother, top about ranking, man. I don't know do the right thing.
This is what you're ranking again. We're helping for true. We're helping for true, chat. We're helping for true. So at least we're sure about one bed one fridge. I don't know the word to get that from. Get in the stove.
Right now, I send no account. I'm sending it right now. You need to link me right now.
We don't try to call him. You want to call him?
So right now.
We don't try to call him. You have to call him straight.
Tell him number. Text me or send me or something. Me know, and I'll even road me down. The service not even so hot neither. Right now you soon hear me about go night time, but
him not a service. You have to straight call him.
If you want me to
Be you gotta go text booking now, no?
Brother, which girl text me for what? You must be mad.
No,
I'm married. Convinced that this are really
I don't know that we never shoot out it as book and somebody feel just
no,
first.
bro, me I never
Brian never talk about it, bro, you know, say serious.
Brother, me no know true this me I never if I even prank you dog I do me not like that. If I prank him I only like that.
Bookie, look, fuck it, Bookie, tell me no,
brother, that's not first and that our second and that a 10th and bro. That bed, let me tell you, that bed look like it in the sun, it dry, it wet back, it dry, it wet back, it dry. No, dog.
Jayden, run look investigation or in a way you want in panic. If I don't joke thing, me nah just put on my 50 ball just so you know.
I don't joke. Yeah, man, I have to know some police run investigation on that cause the money can't, my youth.
I
know a joke. Bookie would have been one big chopping still, you know. Fair chop, my man like a me, you know. Rascal.
Man, I feel like a joke. I don't like him have a joke. I don't like him have a joke.
Jayden could I do everything because I'm real friend them, my friend.
That's the same thing me say.
My friend them. Me and Putus are no farmer friend and no we are me
brother, if you're help, but you know, I'm gonna tell you what you know, all I can go like say me a father for man now, whatever they die.
Your grandfather?
Brother, I'm tell you how to put it. How to put it, if you say me a slime father and slime a Putus father. I saw how to put it, you know. I saw how to put it, bro.
Yes. Everything. Yes, like friend, father, everything.
Just type it, Uncle Gary, just type it in, bro. If you type in Frostbox or bed or Jabas and fridge, yeah, it go pop up.
Brother, you have a type in it. Just call one time, brother.
That bed the all long. God to push. He bed the only bed more than this.
You want to driver?
No,
Jayden, man. Yo, I say, that is my dog number.
Yo. Yeah. I link him.
I make we know what they do so we can come. Me no want until we say no get nothing.
What you mean, Batman? We're not allowed suffer. Jayden, we're not allowed suffer.
I say love law like you know take the situation serious.
No man.
Watch out, TJ.
No book, it feel like a joke thing.
TJ, watch out, please, me I beg you, TJ. Check out the film, because I not send my money just so TJ.
No, obviously serious. Bookie, me not say serious. I say serious.
Eh?
What you say?
When I not see two man them alive since they bad man something, brother. I know if a man say tell a man say who just
my thing soon tough. Believe man. My thing soon tough, bro. Believe. The thing soon tough, dog. Right now, we're in a camp. We're in a training camp. You feel me? The 5 P's. Proper performance, prevent. How I go? No, poor performance says prevent something. The 5 P's. Wanna know the 5 P's? But yeah, that's what we on right now.
Alright, my people, so that my son joined the live. You know what I mean? Make we hear with them Yankee a chat boat. So make we watch some more.
Performance. Something. Can't remember. Damn, I forgot. It feels so good outside. I feel good. Yeah, Father God, thank you for our next day. Thank you for our next day. Life. From you wake up this morning, is that you have an opportunity to do better. You have a chance. You feel me? Cake is for your mommy, yeah, man. When she And the craziest thing about it, I thank y'all for everybody that's something, mom, something. The craziest thing about it, her PayPal, my PayPal connect to my so all I do I'm just gonna send her everything that whatever I make today, I'm sending it straight to my mom. Plus some. I feel I did today, my baby dog. She don't never leave a nigga. See her there? She said, Dan, you really gonna put on top two at me, huh? Yo, so what's the move? What's the plans today? I need to find me a studio. Y'all know when I first came to Jamaica though, dog, that's crazy. Who the fuck? Oh, my sister.
Yankee, where you do now work?
Yeah, my sister, where I going?
So Yankee, oh, me see Anya. You Annie left? How you do Annie?
I don't do nothing.
So
She just going on my phone. No, she went in my phone, bro, and found some old pictures of my ex, some naked pictures and shit. But I ain't like, bro, the pictures them did fire, Daima. They was far. Like you gotta really like dig through a nigga phone to find them shits, bro. Like that's crazy.
So I go on for baby. Chat use the double me I beg her strength.
Triple, double chat. The baby good.
And he say no one find my man the baby by himself, me dear.
Which part?
And he say done with you. Chat focus.
Done with chat snipe. They're gonna snipe that quick.
But young you can DJ man.
Thank you.
So where you know? You there yard?
Yeah.
You want get some rent?
Yeah.
Say I go and rock in the house spread out.
Just chilling, man.
And it's some gun lick to your clad.
I'm finna put up some surveillance, man.
You put up surveillance, you're afraid. Wow, judgment!
Hey, Annie gangster though.
Annie gangster.
Yeah, she gangster though.
And you tear off your marina. 2 rose chat.
Yeah, 2 people, 1 rose.
Come here, uncle. Say, Annie can cook for you, man, tell you.
Bombard, hey, she bad. But man, she got it. I ain't gonna lie, she got it.
Wait. Watch me nice, clean, Ray. I give me roses, thank ya.
How would I eat this curry chicken?
Chicken back and rice, my love, not a chicken. Chicken back and rice.
Hey, I had a chicken family.
This is best just chicken it fat.
Chat snipe. 1 galaxy chat.
Come on, something I'm a trip here, so.
1 galaxy chat. 1.
Thank you, my baby, cool.
Why they hating on you and your page got that's crazy.
Boy, they will keep to me, boy, but me just go and fight back, you know?
That's crazy as fuck, bro. Nigga put in so much work, so much like, dog, they don't even know the blood, sweat, and tears behind that shit.
The page not gonna just take away live access.
Yeah, that's basically like taking the page.
And that me say too, cause if I can't go live, no make sense.
It's pointless. Why them wicked bad man, I like.
Why they eat me, Yankee?
Since you been getting the fight.
Why me I tell you? This so strong in fight. Chat me, I look at strength go on the ranking now. Somebody can bust me but I put skin, no sir.
This shit looking rough.
I get my internet down on my yard chat. Hey. Chat, you have to focus in the chat, you have to focus. Yankee,
No, man.
Yankee, I want to come here, little nice. I think he's a lion. I come.
The one that him up on the app, you know what I mean?
Yankee, you alone can't call me name good, my mother. What to see this?
Those refreshing. So
Yeah,
good.
guava, carrot, pineapple, raw juice.
Yeah, what you know about it?
Raw juice this.
Alright, my people, leave your comments. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We'll watch a bit more.
Wow. Wow.
Jesus Christ.
Buy Mama Cynthia juice, nice.
Yeah, man. It turn up for true. Turn up for
Mighty
true.
God. Miss Bartley, you find me, my baby. Miss Bartley, let me see me follow you upon this, Miss Bartley. Alright. Miss Bartley.
No way, I don't really know if you really understand, say, I really did go through it, you understand, and I did really never have no control of how things set when it come on to me and you know.
Okay, can I say something?
I don't want nobody to feel like, I don't want them to be there, so I make it seem like me I play a mind game, I try to play a victim, I know I'm wrong for everything what I do, I know I'm wrong for what I do, but when me I go through the illness and me I go through mentally, and then I go have weed and alcohol to it, it really, it give me a manic, it put me in a manic, give me a manic episode for real. And that was the situation with me. And I hope you would have understand that certain way. I did just wish you would understand that certain way.
First of all, I already told you I understood. I already told you to get help. But what I don't understand is the disrespect. You see, when you came on the live, what I asked you about your health and how are you. The first thing you asked me about is what I said on TikTok. So
the thing is, I'm
asking you about your health and you're coming at me about what I said on TikTok. Like, are you okay? Tavii, in my opinion, I feel like Alda understands everything that is going on, but she's just cautious and she's still hurt from everything that happened.
I'm hard.
No, nobody's saying you're wrong. Nobody's saying you're wrong.
You see, everybody is saying me I'm a narcissist. I'm there.
No, Tavii, that's why I'm saying if you talk to her offline because people have a lot to say right now.
Aldere, am I a narcissist right now?
Please don't ask me nothing.
Alright, no problem.
I'm telling you, madam. Let me tell you, madam. You want to hear him? Alright, so I'm gonna go away. I'm gonna go away. Okay. Cause you want the girl to say, oh no, don't go away, come. Let's talk.
Jayden, that's not the case. Jayden, you have never been diagnosed with bipolar disorder.
This is not all about me, darling. Why you make it about me? You didn't even make it about me. Did the girl need our peace?
No, I'm not making it about you. I'm literally trying to say that. So look, we should stop trying to instigate things, right? Let them talk off air, because if they put it online, a lot of people have a lot of things to say. There are people that will be saying whatever they are saying, not because they care about Aldere, but because
them should have been take this off our internet already from the start. And what him a worry about why people must say in our comments. Him not worry about if she good in her real life. You see it? Me assure you. Him need to better feel himself. Him say have a project to deal with your project, bro. Better your life, bro. Get better, bro. You see me I said that focus on yourself, bro. Simple as that, Emmy. It's simple as that, you know.
Cause if she can mad him out and him gone up a Bellevue, so must taste good. But I understand why more really does things. Sorry.
Jayden, don't start.
Alright,
I don't
I mean, out of respect.
Alright, Emmy, I'm come down out of respect. I
don't understand why Emmy had Jayden to interject in a situation between me and Aldere and me. And you may have talked about it.
Exactly, Tavii, that's what I'm saying.
This way you do, Emmy. You're not really the situation any better neither.
Tavii, respectfully,
hold on, but Emmy, you know that
Tavii,
Jayden is
I try to show you. If you bring it online,
and
right,
the relationship with me and Aldere is not, you know, some rate her for true. And
yeah, me know say you rate, I mean,
I got you and not take mental illness for joke. When I take my illness for joke, I'm not really rate that. And Emmy, contribute. Jayden, contribute. I'm not take this shit for joke. Take this for joke, Jayden.
Bro, it's not a joke. Listen,
you're taking this for joke and it could have reached anybody.
Let me understand.
You could have been a 21, 25-year-old and have a 5-year-old mentality, Jayden. So, dog, why would you add people like this for joke around something where I fuck with majority of
no, Tavii, you're not getting my point. You're not getting my point. Tavii, that's what I'm saying, that you see the moment you bring it online, everybody, people that are mentally whatever, they would have something to say. Do you get? So it's just for you guys to take it offline, because there are people that don't even care about you, but they just want to bring you guys down. And they also have something to say because it's on the media. So that's why I'm saying you and Aldere should talk offline. So that nobody will have anything to say.
Emmy, listen what him just say. Him just say, take mental health a joke. What me just say a while ago, me tell himself to focus on himself, get better, because right now, she cannot trigger him in a certain thing where she do. So certain thing where she do, I got trigger him. So that's why him need time for himself. Him need to focus on himself. Him no need she right now and she no need him right now.
Exactly. And this is why I said if I'm a trigger, if I'm a problem, that's why I removed myself from the situation, because he was screaming my name the last live. So I was like, okay, I removed myself.
No, it's not a case where there is a trigger. It's not a case where you have a trigger.
So that you can get the help.
Alright, my messenger, I call you.
You always cutting me off and then you say I cut you off. That's great.
No, the thing is, don't use that as a thing now. The thing is, but my messenger privately, I call you privately. You don't link me privately.
I don't have to, Tavii. We last spoke. You blocked me. I blocked you, right? Didn't you block me too?
Alright, so the situation.
So exactly, you come back and say sorry, and I should just be okay.
No, the thing is, it's not a case of me just I say sorry. Me literally, the Monday this happened, I get up the morning Tuesday, I'm not even bed. I'm going to get up, I'm going to take myself, go to Bellevue, call her over, I'm going to go to the hospital, go admit myself, because my sister something wrong with me. My sister something is really fucking wrong. I'm going to do that. I'm going to take myself from it. Alright then. Hold on, Jayden. You can remove Jayden, please, Emmy. He might interject and interject in me Aldere thing.
Let me mute him.
Him should not interject in me Aldere thing, though. You can just take him off, please. Can you please take him off, Emmy? Alright, I'm gonna remove myself then.
Alright.
Whichever narrative Jayden create, then you just so.
No, narrative, bro. You see, you're worried about the narrative, you're not worried about the girl. You're worried about the narrative. I show you.
When he came on the live, I asked Tavii, are you okay? How was the hospital, everything? Tavii asking me about what I said on the internet.
Bro, you cannot be fixed in 1 week or 2 days. You need 6 months, 1 year. Let me tell you something. Tavii, mental health is not a joke. I am controlling, but me talk my mind. You see it. You try to use emotion to try. Alright, I'm go out of the business. Tavii, all that.
People, me see this coming, you know. Me see this coming. If you don't go watch back anything what we do when Tavii and the girl get together, seeing, and if me cover anything about them, we don't go on back, go listen that scene, and we go hear me say this youth, the girl, the female, she are gonna make him mad out. Is either people are gonna look him woman and take away from him, or she don't really want him, she just a look some clout. Me say something in that sort there. You see me? I remember telling on my people, you see right now, Kyng Tavii, him in a position where him love this girl, I want this girl, but you know, she done with him. She don't want him no more. Me never think she really did want him in at the beginning. She a try a thing with him, and maybe I look some clout. That way me say no. You know what I mean? Maybe I some clout she did a look and a try a thing with him. Right now that him in a this position, you know, where a sympathy him a try to get back the female with, like him a try to get her to sympathize with him. No girl not there with no man. Me tell you something, man. No woman don't want no man where them feel sorry for. You hear me say? No woman not there with no man out of sympathy. Woman look for a man as alpha. Them look for a man as them knight in shining armor. Them look for a man as them protector. Them look for a man as them provider. You see, if you don't show signs of strength when it come to a woman, remember me tell her say she don't want you. If you show base signs of weakness, unless you have something where them want, make them go there with you. You have some money and you're weak and puny, then we go and ride with you and take your money and take care of. But if you don't have nothing at all in your life and you move, no, them not do that, them no want you. You see me, I say so my advice to Kyng Tavii, you know, dog, that ship they sail a long time. And this a girl, sorry about girl, this a girl, don't want you, dog. Let me tell you what you do. Focus on your work. You see me, I say, focus on building something, make the people them, you know what I mean, take on back to you and try to elevate yourself through that. You know what I mean? Maybe a next female we see and want you. Right now, it don't look like you're fixing a dog. You just go which part you go and just go through the course, and you know what I mean, you get medication or whatever, but you know, or you know, 100% fix. You see me? Because if this female still have a hole upon you, you know, fix, and me hear your talk, you know what I mean, me hear the G attack, and it come like any minute now we might go explode. You see me I say? So, my people, wanna pray for Kyng Tavii. That's all me can say. You know what I mean? Because him don't have mental issue already, and then this a girl here can kind of put some pressure upon him now, emotionally. So, boy, yo, wanna pray for him. And anybody who can rally around him, try do that. Even though he might push people away, wanna try rally around him, and you know what I mean? Because him need all the support him can get. Because me see him put up something where say him get evicted and one bag of something. So you know what I mean? Let me know what you think.
Think you need, darling. All I think you need is to focus on yourself. You have a project of forward, my father. Put in the work into the project and believe in yourself. And one day, dog, you're going to make it, dog. You see it? Me believe in you, bro. You're going to make it, bro. You don't need no woman to make it, bro. Because you've been at your thing alone, bro. You see me? I say, dog, focus on yourself, dog. Your mental health, bro. That's a serious thing, bro. You see it? If me wrong, darling.
I was not here. I went to the restroom. What happened?
It look like the one that tastes good, you know, stop fall. Alright, later.
Jayden, please go.
So why you block me though? Why you block me?
Jayden, where? Look how long Tavii block you. Leave me alone. Come down. Tavii block you long time. I didn't unblock why you should not take advice from Jayden. I didn't unblock him. Jayden, don't take advice from Jayden, because Jayden does not want what's good for you. Tavii black. Look how long Tavii block him. I don't unblock him. Jayden does not want what's good for you. That's why Jayden is only saying what he's saying. Guys, thank you. I just don't like the fact that he came on the live. I asked him about his health and everything, Emmy, and he's asking me about what I said on TikTok and how I'm making him look on TikTok. Yeah. And then I'm the clout like, you know, this is what I'm saying. It's like I don't like. Why didn't he? Whatever. It's the same thing is people them saying, oh, I should have come off live and go talk to him, blah blah blah. Mind you, I always talk to him 24/7. If we're not on live, we're on the phone together. So for them to think that, oh, like
I think Tavii just wants you to acknowledge the fact that he went to get mental help so that he's going to.
He went to get mental health is great. I've been telling him to get the problem. I've been telling him to go for a long time. I've been telling him to go get help a long time ago. So him doing it, okay, great. I love that.
She is basically telling her that she is supposed to stay in the situation if she love him or whatever the case is. People bash her.
Girl.
Finish talking, Emmy.
No, we're
not arguing. Just let me finish talking.
Wait. Wait, before you finish saying what you're saying. When did I say that?
Wait, no, Emmy. When you were talking to her first,
I said anything like that.
Emmy, that's the narrative that you were giving, that she should see with him because of his mental illness.
Say like that, girl. If you have,
that's the way. Alright, fine.
If your brain is slow,
alright, fine.
Your brain is slow and you cannot understand. Alright, let me put it in a layman's. Let me put it in a layman's term for you to
what I'm saying is that at the end of the day,
girl, listen. Let me put it in a layman's term for you to understand if you don't understand what I'm saying.
I mean, we don't say what me say. Loud girl, Aldere run and don't stay with him before the boy kill you. Me don't talk to me at all. Me don't talk to me at all. Run, Aldere, run.
Me stand 10 toes behind her. If she decides, who took her down? You people should have allowed her to talk. If she decides that she wants to stay in a relationship, me stand 10 toes behind her. Because at the end of the day, she's the one that knows what she wants for herself. I'm in no position to tell her what to do. What I would do if it was
Emmy said she would support my decision. That's what she said.
That's what I said. Me never tell her, say, oh, she will stay with him or whatever. No. Me don't know when me say that. It's like, oh, okay, because I'm African, because I speak in an African accent, maybe you don't understand very well. Oh, okay, I understand.
I don't know. I personally just think that I just don't like I get blamed for everything. I just don't like that part. He's blaming me for what Jayden is doing. How is he's blaming me for what Jayden is doing? How that makes sense, guys?
Darling.
Blue, thank you. TJ, please, can you come up?
Where's TJ? I've been trying to add him.
Yeah, let me add him. TJ's here.
What did Jayden say?
He said, darling.
Darling, unblock me, darling. Don't take me down, now come.
TJ, please come up in the box, I beg. I don't know when I said that.
I'm trying to add TJ, but I don't see him.
I've heard me saying anything that she should not leave him or whatever.
Jesus.
Why did you move Jayden is here. Jayden is only looking for a way that they should unblock him.
Mary, everything was good when you was in Jamaica, right?
Tam, send a request.
Oh. Okay. That's a no?
No.
Everything was good when you was in Jamaica?
For the most part, yeah.
Yeah. Right.
It's not going through.
So you see the signs when you was there? And the red flags and all of that. And you couldn't just wait to leave.
Oh boy. I saw some stuff which I explained to him that he needed help.
Okay.
Guys, let me tell you something. We had a great time in Jamaica, but I just saw some stuff that I told him that you need help. That's all. That's it. It's not that serious, guys. Let it go.
I don't know.
I don't know. This is not what I came here for tonight, guys. I don't even know. Guys, I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem supporting him. I do not have a problem helping him where it comes on to his mental health. I don't have a problem helping, but he needs to actually do it on his own as well, because there's so much that I can do. I can't do much if he doesn't want it for himself. Like it's not up to me, really. It really is up to Tavii.
Yeah.
It really is up to him. I can't do anything. I don't have a problem supporting, praying for him. I don't have a problem. I don't know. I see everything I get blamed for, so that's why I'm saying, okay, if I remove myself and maybe he can focus on his mental health and everything. That's why I removed myself, because I was getting blamed for it. So I was like, okay, let me go and he works on himself.
People, let me tell you something, man. Me see all of this coming a long time. If it was this situation or whatever situation caused Tavii and this girl have to wake up, it would have been something else, because she definitely wouldn't stay with Kyng Tavii. You know what I mean? Me see the link up and I say, yo, the link up here is not no normal link up. Like, it not real. The link up here not real. And me not gonna say much, because this is just my opinion. You see me, I say link up can be real, but I just my opinion. When me see it, me I say, yo, this I gonna mash up soon. And me did tell you know what I mean, and tell you the reason why me feel like say that mash up. You see me? And me I say, see it, not even not them deal for about 2 months. I don't think them deal for 2 months. I see it here, it mash up, it done with. You know what I mean? And he want her back, but she don't want him back. The reason being, she never want him from morning. She want some clout. And my opinion, my people, my opinion. You see me? She was a nobody, like nobody never really knew her before she fly down to Jamaica. What's about me know say Kyng Tavii, him have him name or something, but look how fast she and him link up. Look how fast she forward to Jamaica. Carry things for him. Dime yard, oh long. Oh, all of that happened so fast. There must be something behind it. Look on this a girl. This a girl that can get almost any man she want. Why she come just choose Tavii? You go look on when she and Tavii link up on live and she ask him say Ray and blah blah blah. Cause obviously them used to, not really obviously, them used to go to the same school together and something see? Boom. She come on the live, Ray. When she come on the live, I just straight flirtatious thing she are going with. The first thing she do, she walk away out of the camera, showing her ass when she just start talk to him. And then he must say, yo, me not really recognize you. And he must say, she has said to him, say, no, me get sexy. Look, Ray. You see me? When you see all of that when me look on, me I say that girl are up to something. You see me? But in hindsight, me I see it and I don't want to say it, you know. You see me? Me never see it when it just unfold. You know what I mean? You go see when them link up and she come my yard and something. You see it? But people, woman, very manipulative. Man, some man, yeah. But women, they are manipulative. You see me? And we feel like say she manipulate Tavii, take advantage of him and kick him to the curb. But she do it in a manner where it no show like say she are the aggressor in a situation. When you hear Kyng Tavii forward on live and him say, you say some things to me over the phone, so why you act that way on the internet? Like she diss him or whatever over the phone, and then she come and I show a good face, yeah, so So here I go on my people, I just me I analyze the situation and I say what me I say. I just my opinion. This you see it, but it can be all false, you know what I mean? It can be untrue, it can be just me attack bullshit. See it? But me know what you think.
This is like, and to me, it's not a joke, guys. I don't see mental health as a joke. I don't see what he's going through. I don't take it for a joke. But I cannot sit down and let someone bleed on me, though. Like, what am I supposed to let him bleed on me? Hi, Diva.
Me, I feel like some of you, and you have the most to say when you cannot even help your own selves. You guys, you are trying to take out a broom from someone's eyes, whereas there's a very big bamboo in your own eyes and you cannot take it off. You people want...
I mean, I'm chatting about a good man.
Why I take it to blood clot person? I'm going to call your name.
This woman here, she's talking.
Mikey, thank you. Me never call your name, Jayden.
I mean, I chat, man.
I'm a youth, and for the people around me, the immediates. So I do the wrong thing. And at that, I share like, when people wrong me, them no want to them L's, no. I'm going to take my L, I know I'm wrong still. But you gotta take your L. And then the end of the day, people make it seem as if, why you gonna make it seem as if you're gonna stay away because you're a trigger, you're not a trigger. But the things I'm gonna say is a trigger. You know, and they understand. And artists them where I create around me is a trigger. You know, every time I hear say every time you cry, I'm gonna see screen recordings when you're crying. And you're talking about me and me I make you cry. I don't understand why the settings when I do for make you cry when you're not have like in the hospital. I'm admitting at the hospital, you know. Like me not get what the style. Like me I want idiot. Me I want idiot if I admit myself. I'm there so I focus for my work same way. I don't understand what really take place, you know. But it's not gonna stop me from the journey of healing still. Yeah, I'm gonna continue to try my best to become better and better for my youth still. I don't really understand what really take place. I don't really get it. And it's not like some out here, so it's like me no out here, so I'm now I'm just this. And all I was say I have a problem. And me just the over here so with the problem and now do nothing about it. Actually get up and do something about it. You're proud of me? You're not proud of me? Wrong, but me I try to make it right by getting help. I know I'm wrong and I make it right by getting help. And I go do my test them and pay my money for do all of my test them. And me do what I have to do. The blood test them, CT scan them. I do everything what I have to do like. You know, understand? Because my mother didn't understand. You know? My baby mother didn't understand. Even though she not supposed to even deal with me, you know? Them things there, you know? So I don't really understand what really take place still. And them just allow Jayden for just there in the mix side. Why not allow Jayden for talk and him not have nothing good for say about my thing, dog? You know? Like, it's not the case when me there, so I prefer hurt myself or nothing, but somebody where I go through him, I go through the realest way. Why you gotta allow people to forward and interject with some fuckery? Like, I don't really understand what take place. If you rate me, understand my situation, why you make it look like me and manipulate it? I don't get it. And why should Diva dip on live with them same way? I allow them to manipulate the situation. Why? I don't really get it. And at this me there so I try. I don't really get what I go on. Like Dan. You can say something to me, dog, and make me understand what really take place. Like Evie, I say it to you, you can do the wrong thing. Like me do the wrong thing. Like what really take place? What really take place, dog?
Boy, Tavii, me not lie, I wish you could have opened me eye, G, and just say, the female is the manipulator, nobody else is the manipulator. It's her. She is the person who will manipulate the situation. She know what she did have planned from in at the beginning when she attacked you. Now, she execute whatever plan she had. You see me I say? And yeah, say she a ball on the internet. She know why she a do it. She want to get the people them closer to her. She want to gain more fans. She use you, my dog. So take your L, may I beg you please, and just move on and try to put yourself in your work and not think about she, because she don't want you back, dog. You don't have nothing for offer. Nothing at all. I raw truth. Nothing at all you don't have for offer, dog. You see me? So whatever she did want from you, she get it already. So I guess you know say your time up.
I'ma realize say if you not talk about me, nobody not have no strength. But right now, them have all that strength because them a talk about me. So why not talk good? Than for talk something for make it look like you save yourself. Like what really take place, like me not really understand what go on. I don't really understand what really are going on. Hold on, 1 sec. I don't really understand what take place. I don't understand what really take place. I don't really understand what really take place. Alright then. Bless up to Suzette Buchanan. My mother, my baby mother. And Cassie. Yeah, did it for me through a very difficult moment now. I could ever go through, you know. And blessings to everybody, the peace, PNA, the PCA, and everybody at Bellevue who helped me through this very difficult moment, you know. And however I go, I say it go. You understand? But I go just stay in my lane. I'm just do what me have to do. I just say no note in my mouth. I'm not going to mention anybody name or I'm not going to mention none of them things there. I'm not going to bring up nothing about this again. Understand? I'm just a focus on what I'm supposed to focus on. You understand? I'm just a leave it right there, so. You understand? The CEO for Bellevue Hospital, Suzette, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Suzette, for the support you give me. You know. Yeah, and as may I say again, this is the only time I got to just say one more time. Yes. Sorry to everybody when I offend the last time when I go live, when I had no liquor and a substance. I'm sorry. You understand? And I don't have no intention for even go back to none of them things there, you know. It happened on Monday. I'm gonna wake up the Tuesday morning and go Bellevue. I'm gonna never hesitate. I see somebody have a problem, I'm gonna get up and do something about it. And I do what I'm there for do. I stop smoke. I take the medication when them give me. I lock on myself and rehabilitate. Understand? And I never just do it just for me. Yes, me first, yes. I'm gonna do it for my daughter, you know. I'm gonna do it for the people around me, you know. I'm gonna do it for Aldere too. I'm gonna do it for my baby mother. I'm gonna do it for Suzette. Do it for my mother. Do it for my supporters then. Cause we're not gonna need a sane Kyng Tavii around, you know. Understand? And we got the security them at Bellevue too. The PNA them and everybody will keep everything confidential. Keep materials them confidential. Keep all of the purging way I go through at Bellevue confidential. Understand? And it motivate me for really stay positive and just keep up, you know. I make a mistake just a while ago, I'm not gonna make the mistake again. And Susan, I'm sorry. It's like I couldn't control myself when I see a screen recording, but I definitely I gotta control myself next time. Kadila, I'm very sorry. You spoke to me. I'm very sorry, Kadila. I shouldn't disobey you. Understand? And you always do the right for me, you know. When I never really did it, I have nothing. Just send money to my mother for make sure say I have the things that I have, and I am very fucking sorry. I'm very sorry, you know. I just continue to do the right thing, and my supporters them were there. I want to understand some really try my best to change, and I really did try. I try. And if you don't want to call me a Bellevue patient, if you don't want to call me mad, if you don't want to call me whatever the fuck you don't want to call me, I don't care still. And I don't regret even I go there because as I say, in a situation where I not smoke, I not drink, and I'm able to miss my content them, and thanks to the doctors them help me. Yeah, the nurse them help me. I don't really can call them names still, but thanks. Even they are so with me.
Hey Tavii, alright, that's how you go wrong, my friend. When you go say you go do it for the female, never you do nothing for a female where you and her are not together. You see me, I say, like, me not really want to sound that harsh certain way, but do something, do what you do for yourself, you know what I mean, and family. You see it, like how you say your daughter, your mother, you know what I mean, yeah, do it for them. But not no female, dog. Because this female, no matter what you do for her, she no business boy, dog. she get what she want already, she gone. And you have to just accept that, and the sooner you accept that, I better for you. Cause it seems like say you don't realize that. You come like say you don't get that. Get in your head, my G, you know, get her back. Go get some millions and come back. And then maybe she talk to you. DJ Mac, reach out to you. And you this the man will pass on the message to you. Oh, you feel better in your life, dog. Serious thing. DJ Mac reach out to you. The hottest thing right now in the music. The hottest thing in the music reach out to you. And you this the man for life big time. For what? Dog. Come like say, you hustle backward, dog. You hustle backward. Entertainment you in a dog. Entertainment. Comedy still, but still like under the umbrella entertainment. You see me I say? And the biggest man in entertainment link you. And yeah, this is the man. And yeah, run back a female will come. Them a dime a dozen. In that the man they feel. You see me I say? Linking with them, the man they open up how much doors for you. How much female you may grow and find better girl than that the girl. One thing me learn in your life, you know, never you run down a girl, you know. You see me I say, big woman thing. Never you. It's like running down a moving bus. You understand? If you love somebody and you share a bond with them and a relationship with them, well, you can try your best, like forget them back or whatever, but not too much. You have to let go at some point, because if you continue, no respect now go there. And none of did it right now for you, which part you run go. None of did them G. I just the real truth, you see me? So the sooner you find out say yo, she gone, I better for you. Put yourself in your work and try to make some money.
I watch me now on the healing process. And like as me tell you now, I don't really have no time I feel myself. I don't have no time I feel the people around me. I don't have no time I do none of that. I'm going to do my best to keep up with my medication. I'm not going to watch no face. I'm not even do my best. I just have to do it. I'm going to keep up with my medication. I'm going to take my mood stabilizer the same way. I'm going to take my antidepressant the same way. And I stay in my lane. I'm not calling a name. So if anybody want to call my name, or
and if she ever come back, cause after this and I got Jamaica, she still will come back live. So if you know yet, I wait until she come in and go over the go right tea. You know nobody right tea over here, so go over the go right tea. I'll go over Destiny. Wait till Destiny live, you know, go over the go right tea. Or whoever not like her, you know, go on over the go right tea. Join the congregation over there. You know, go on. Go on. Cause we always want to wish things to people. And when we wish it for other people, we no mad and I say, oh, bad to bad. No wish that for them. No wish that for them, bad to bad. So when I wish it for she. Yeah, and I always I wish things to people and I'm not gonna say, bad to bad. No wish that for them. Everybody, alright. Everybody I gonna say, oh, no matter man, no matter what, the whole of we are immigrant. No wish that for other people. So why no I wish it for she? She no immigrant too? Or where she come from? And I would say back to body and I wish things like that for other people. So why no over here rejoice now? And Sky don't even know no. Half I know where rejoice, she don't even know no. She don't even know no. And that I think, you know, she don't even know no. But chat, you know, go about the business. Sky not going nowhere. How would this? Sky not going nowhere. Left the girl alone. Somebody have to talk the mix up. Uno no want talking mix up, you know. I saw you stay up on TikTok, you know. Uno no want talk the mix up, you know, want hear other people talking, right? And then when people talk, you don't hate people if you talk the mix up what you don't like to listen to. You see, me come over here a while ago, everybody I say you're not bored. Alright, cause Sky never over here, me never over, nobody no over here talk no mix up. You see on steer? You know, like listen to the mix up, you know. You know, love the mix up. But what? Somebody got to talk the mix up. Somebody got to stop in the line of fire. Because you don't want to talk the mix up, you know. You don't want to hide and listen. You don't want to hide and listen to the mix up. And when we talk the mix up, because when we talk it and if we don't talk it how you don't like it, or if we are talk about in a favorite, you don't mad. But make we talk about somebody who you don't like, you not happy, you know. But the moment we say something about in a favorite, you don't get mad. You don't make it make sense. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense, chat. You don't want to talk mix up, you know. Because if we open the box and come up and say, we don't come up con class the girl. Enough, whole are not afraid. The whole are unafraid and back done. Una comments, what they call it? Bully. You don't want to do it. You don't like hear people business, you know, but you don't want to stand up in a fire. And the people that will stand up in a fire, you know, are them the people that you don't wish bad for. Because as we telling us, say 90% of you don't Sky don't even know, no. Sky never talked about you know before, and you just don't like her for whatever reason. That's how I go. I'm tell you say, you see, 90% when the people them click their like, stomp on the window, kind of shame to come in and I listen because I love it. I sound stay. Cause she don't know, no. She don't know, no. But you know, like for right other people. And it's that it's the other people that when I take up for, they're doing the same thing that she's doing. They're doing the same thing where she do, and them probably do even worse. Them probably do even worse. So like, come on, man, you not stop it. You not stop it, yo. See over here, she done bored for a morning. Ask her over there about her throat wall. You know, I hate people for other people. Like, make that make sense. How you hate somebody for other people? I don't know this person not have nothing. But as the person click their life, so you not done pan the window. You not done pan the window. Like, you know, stupid, you know? You know, some stupid set of people, I swear. You don't have no damn sense. This guy fi go home, all of them fi go home. Every last one of them. Cause none of them don't make no sense. If she don't make no sense, none of them don't make no sense neither. Not one of them. So I start to go. The whole of them fi go on then. Every last one of them fi go on. And that is it. That is it. So Jackie, make you send me. Bitch, make you send me. Cause you want to idiot over here listen to me, you know, and you don't like me. Make that make sense. You're a fucking dumb bitch. Make a look on a bitch before you block him. The block him there. Make a look on a big whore. Where you block the whore from, man? Let me see the whore first. Watching turn up on one wall. With your sad life turn up on one wall. Bitch, you don't see no sad. Not so stupid, you know, like people as they click their live, you know, under it and listen. You know, make that make sense now. I don't take no time using, as Shibada say, using the megabytes. I we see, I type in a people comment where you don't like. You know, stupid or what? You know, stupid or what? You know, stupid or what? Then no, when somebody go do that, alright, you go have one family member, Sky go say, yeah man, if you send home the girl, they go say, but Sky, no wicked, no wicked, yes. You know, not like if you yourself, but you not like if you other people. You not like if you yourself, but you not like if you other people.
So I'm always telling people who they for me thing, yeah, say do not take these people on TikTok serious. Do not see two person having a quarrel and take one side and you know like the next person, because at the end of the day them no business about it was them a friend most of the time where I cuss. You see me enough time then go and sell the story. Me now say not every time, you know what I mean, them a friend when them a cuss, you know. You see me, people jump off in a real life, but most of the time them can sell the whole heap of story. So don't buy out nobody argument and don't like an next person because them and the next person are cuss, because we see them come here, kick off big time, deal with each other the worst way, and then by the next day so have them that.
A sound of stay on TikTok. You don't like if you don't sell, but you don't like if you other people. No go ya. I no go. But donkey telling us it's kind of ice coast. Hear who telling you? Hear who telling you? Hear who telling you? Anyway, chat, what go on? Me can't bother with you, yeah? You just not make no sense over this place.